guys, it's Clara. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be sharing 7 dinner ideas, all made with groceries from Aldi. Stay tuned. If you like all things Aldi, I oftentimes have Aldi haul videos where I share what I bought for the week and the meal plan for the family. Some of these meals are from those plans, and if you have any tips or tricks to add a little variety to these meals, I'd love to hear what you'd like to do. Well, we are finally trying the brioche buns. Today we enjoyed some sloppy joes and carrots. These Aldi specially selected brioche buns are so highly talked about on Facebook, and rightfully so. I didn't have any sloppy joe mix on hand, so I just browned the meat, cooked some fresh onion and garlic, then added some tomato sauce, Worcestershire sauce, chili powder, sugar, salt, and pepper. To add a bit of fiber and veggies, I added some greens from Aldi's spinach and arugula mix, so good, and had a side of baby carrots. On this night, we did a bit of an appetizer for dinner. This is Parmesan toast with toasted garlic. My daughter isn't as much of a fan of the garlic, but loves Parmesan cheese, so we left the garlic off of hers. This works really great on top of Aldi's pane Turano bread with freshly grated cheese. Tonight we enjoyed one of Aldi's Indian sauces to make chicken korma. I added some veggies in by adding some chopped red and orange bell peppers, and we enjoyed this over white rice. The sauce was mild and not very spicy, but if you do find it is spicy, you can add some milk or cream to cut down on the heat. On this night, we did a crock pot recipe of corned beef and cabbage. I made this with the Cattleman's Ranch corned beef. These portions of beef were too large for my medium crock pot, but I was able to make it fit with the lid secured once I chopped it to fit. I added the cabbage only within the last 15 to 20 minutes to avoid overcooking, and the corned beef was just so tender and delicious. This evening we had ravioli and green beans. You can find ravioli in the pantry dry section or in the refrigerated section. In my Aldi, these are located near the Mama Cozzi pizzas. I topped the ravioli with Aldi's organic tomato basil sauce and thought the specially selected French green beans were very fresh and delicious. Tonight is a simple meal of Aldi's fish fillets with a side of asparagus. The fish was from the freezer section and made for a yummy quick meal. I am not even kidding when I tell you this is one of my favorite things to eat. This evening was a really simple meal of scrambled eggs. The family had toast on the side, but I love enjoying scrambled eggs on top of jasmine rice. I add some soy sauce and pepper with a side of Roma tomatoes. Isn't it funny how the simplest of meals can be your favorite? And that's it. Let me know what dinners you've been liking lately. I'd love to hear your suggestions. They are always so very helpful. If you like this video and like all things Aldi and Dollar Tree, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and take care.